This is Chris with Sticker Fab. Today we're going to be installing some overlays on top of the OEM Fender badges. A customer of ours wanted these overlays. They kind of wanted to make this a little bit more stealthy. We have tons of options and you can go on our website, check those out. But we are going to be installing light smoke. I have the light smoke overlays. They're a pair because usually you have two Fender badges. And then I'm using Sticker Fab application fluid. You can also use a drop of dish soap in a full cup of water, but ours, this is really the perfect mixture. We can use this to clean it, which I will. Microfiber cloth. And then I'm going to spray it once more. What this fluid does is it lets me move around this vinyl until I find the exact spot that I want it to be in. So what we did is we ordered all of the OEM badges. They can also be found on our site in case you need replacements. We scanned them all in and then we made these overlays to fit the exact same location. So if you want, grab a squeegee. That would be a really good idea. If you don't have a squeegee, you can get one from our website. We have the felt lined one so they don't scratch this material. I'm not using my nail, I'm using the fatty portion of my fingers to kind of push this out. Our Sticker Fab application fluid will dry out in the sun. It does have like an alcohol content to it, so it dries out really well. And then just clean all that water off. And there you have it. I'll give you a little overview. Now on the sunny side, this will be a lot brighter. The dark smoke is kind of hella dark, but in direct sunlight, these OEM badges do have a reflective layer to them, and you can actually see that orange peeking through. So if you want these, head over to our website, like this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not already, and hit that bell notification icon for the latest and greatest things we are working on for the 2021 and up Ford Bronco.